When Lypertek came out with the Tevi, I remember just starting out this channel and I really wanted to own one and test one, but it was really expensive. Today I'm really happy that I got the opportunity to check out one of Lypertek's latest offerings. The naming of all of Lypertek's product is really super cool, and I like a company with really innovative thinking. So if this new Lypertek be any good, welcome to a review of the Lypertek Levi. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Lypertek Levi. Having now tested the Levi, I can assure you that Lypertek is a company that makes fantastic earbuds with a build quality to attest to that. I personally bought these Levi for about 250 Malaysian ringgit, and that's about US 60. So these are really well priced and a lot cheaper than the original Tevi, which are priced at around US 90. So let's see if the new little brother is worth your hard-earned money, and if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So taking the Levi out of the box, you'll find that Lypertek now goes with a hard plastic, and it's a material that I've personally never seen before, and it has a slight 3D printing look. It's not a bad thing because I know for a fact that these are going to be your hardy earbuds that won't scratch even if you are rough with them. So these are really very high quality materials. The front of the case, you get the Lypertek logo up here as well as the Lypertek branding in front, and below that you get 4 nice LED indicators that tell you the battery percentage of the earbuds themselves. Flipping the case to the bottom, you get a nice USB-C charging port, and flipping it to the back, you also get a nice logo here, and yes, the case of the Levi is actually wireless charging. So toss it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. So opening the lid of the earbuds is very nice and smooth, and the lid itself stays open with a very nice friction lid and allows you to keep the lid open while taking the earbuds out. And once you open the case, the earbuds themselves sits very nice and elegantly inside the case with all the Lypertek beauty there. So taking the earbuds out of the case, you feel that the earbuds are light but extremely well built. At the front of the earbuds, you also get the famous Lypertek look, which you also get on the Tevi, and from tapping the front of it, it feels like it's made out of metal. And on the front, you get a nice Lypertek logo, and cleverly hidden inside the middle of the logo is the LED indicator. At the bottom of the Lypertek logo is a microphone for all your communication needs. So to control the earbuds, Lypertek gives you a very nice physical button at the side that is also made out of a metal, and overall holding this in your hand does scream quality. And flipping the earbuds to the back, you see some charging indicators there, and you also notice some slight contour on the earbuds themselves, which makes it look like some high-end IEMs out there, and personally the Levi fits my ear like a glove. So the earbuds themselves are rated to give you a very impressive 8 hours of continuous playback time, and Lypertek tested this at a 50% volume. And the case would give you an additional 40 hours of playback time, and the case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. On top of that, Levi also comes with a quick charging feature, so 15 minutes of charging actually gives you about 2 hours of playback time, so super useful if you're in a hurry. So the Levi is also a very nicely spec'd for a 2020 earbuds and comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset that supports both the AAC as well as the SBC audio codec, since they are not running Qualcomm's chipset, so you're not getting aptX support here. The Levi also comes with an IPX5 water resistant rating that gives you very good protection from water. So IPX5 is sufficiently good enough to protect you from regular sweating, water splashing, and even getting caught under the rain, and shouldn't be much of a problem to these earbuds. The Levi also comes with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, and the connection of these earbuds to your phone is super fast. Taking either side out and putting it back into the case doesn't pause the media, and when you take it out of the case, it turns on and pairs up even before reaching your ears. So super impressive stuff there. The Lypertek Levi also comes with a very unique feature for non-ANC earbuds, and that is ambient mode. So since these earbuds give you a very good seal, you'll actually get very good passive isolation. So the earbuds give you the option to amplify some of your surroundings into your earbuds when you need to, especially when you're jogging or cycling. The amplification is very nice and does amplify noises quite a bit, which gives you a very nice surreal feeling, something like you have enhanced hearing ability. Similar to most earbuds today, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, but you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. The soundstage of the Levi is super impressive, and it gives you a very powerful, very balanced sound profile, and everything seems to sound very high quality. Mids and highs are fantastic across the range, and nothing seems to take the backseat here. At lower volumes, the bass does feel a bit on the softer end, but when you turn up these earbuds, oh my goodness, this thing actually rumbles. It's so powerful I kinda have to turn it down a little, but even with that aggressive bass, the mids and highs are not at all bad, and everything still feels nice and high quality. Soundstage is very wide and you can hear very nice sound separation overall. However, the earbuds don't give you that airy feeling since they do sit quite deep into your ear canals. The Levi is definitely a very fantastic sounding earbuds. The call quality of the Levi is very good and clear, with very good control and sound isolation in both quiet and noisy environments, and the earbuds do a really good job in picking out your voice and isolating the environment. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Lypertek Levi is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. The Bluetooth 5.0 of these earbuds are also really good and do a very good job with providing you with latency-free audio when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. There will be a very small hint of delay when playing games, but overall it's still a very enjoyable experience. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The controls of the Levi is very comprehensive and lets you control everything that you need for your media, including volume controls. So to play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply press one on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So very simple there. And to skip tracks forward, press twice on your right earbuds and it will skip your tracks forward. And to skip backwards, press twice on the left earbuds to skip backwards. To increase the volume, press and hold the right earbuds until you get to your desired volume level. So it will increase right there. And also the left side to decrease your volume. To call your assistant, you have to pause any media that is playing first. So there you go. And then double tap on either side of the earbuds to pull out your assistant. So you gotta pause your media and pull out your assistant. So there you go. And lastly, to enable or disable ambient mode, simply press 3 times on either side of your earbuds and it will enter and exit ambient mode, and there will be a prompt to let you know. So that is all of the controls you get with the Levi, and they are one of the best controls I've used alongside many of the SoundPT earbuds that we've checked out previously. All in all, I don't see why anyone shouldn't buy these earbuds, and the only reason I think you wouldn't consider these earbuds is that they are out of stock, just like how I can't get the white ones and ended up with the black unit. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.